Dear students, today we will discuss about the topic glycolysis. As we know, all the living organisms, whether aerobes or anaerobes, initiate the mechanism of respiration by breaking down glucose to pyruvic acid without the help of oxygen. This initial process that occurs in the cytosol of the cell and completes in 10 steps. So the glycolysis is the metabolic pathway that converts glucose into pyruvate and hydrogen ions, that is H positive. The scheme of glycolysis was first described by Gustav Embeden, Otto Mayroff and J. Panis, and therefore often referred to as EMP pathway. The various steps involved in the pathway as shown in the form of cycle. First, glucose molecules is phosphorylated in presence of ATP to form glucose 6-phosphate. The reaction is catalyzed by hexokinase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphate is further isomerized to form fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of enzyme phosphoglucose isomerase. Further, fructose 6-phosphate combines with another phosphate group from another ATP molecule, yielding 1,6-biphosphate and ADP. The combination is catalyzed by enzyme phosphofructokinase. In next step, splitting will be occur. Fructose 1,6-diphosphate now splits into two 3-carbon phosphorylated sugars and dihydroxine acetone phosphate and hydroxyacetone phosphate and 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde in the presence of aldose enzyme. Further, dihydroxyacetone is converted into glyceraldehyde with the help of enzyme phosphotriose isomerase. So here phosphorylation and dehydrogenation will be occur. In phosphorylation, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde combines with phosphate group derived from inorganic phosphoric acid found in cytosol will be changes into 1,3-biphosphoglyceraldehyde. In dehydration process, a pair of hydrogen atom separates from a molecule of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Their separation releases a large amount of energy. A part of this energy is stored in newly formed phosphate. Separation of hydrogen is catalyzed by the enzyme 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde dehydrogenase. Further, 1,3-diphosphate